Dance, Bartleby.
Please.
Please. Oh!
Alright, we've had a request from social media. You guys just stand together and wave. Stand together and give a wave. Yeah.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Bartleby, true. If you could be a cake, what kind of cake would you be?
I don't know.
Oh, a big cake. A birthday cake?
Yeah, birthday cake.
That's awesome.
Can you do the whole?
Bye-bye, True. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sorry. That's okay. Bye-bye, Bartleby. Bye. Bye, my favorite purple cat.
It's just to have a bit of a presence. Yeah.
Ooh.
Good job.
Where's Bartleby?
Hey, you ladies having a fun day today? Oh my goodness, we have a very excited little one over here. Hi. High five.
Please? Woo!
Everyone, let's see you move and groove. Wow. Whoa, how did you do that? Nice move. Oh, clap your driving, everyone. There we go. Yeah. We're with each other. One more time. We're with each other. Yes. So, all the way from Kitty Natty, it's Bartleby. Nice moves, Bartleby. High five. Boom. Are you ready to join us for our dance party? Yeah. Oh, you guys are ready too. Do you have any cool dance moves you can show us? Oh. Okay, everyone, can we do that with Bartleby and True? Oh, this is like nice Tai Chi. Oh, this is very good. I like that. Any other steps to this? We're flailing our arms around. I love your dance moves. I love your enthusiasm. Are you guys ready to dance? I said, are you ready?
Like Teddy Dojo. The kitty watches have no fear. Never the child will disappear.
Hey! Whoa!
The kitty watches have no fear. I live in shadows, they disappear.
Let's see you feel Hey!
Cause a balance is no trick. You must be careful, those birds prick.
Ha! Feel the dog ground! Ha!
My perfect balance is no trick. I might be careful, those birds prick.
Ah, little finger! Whoa! What's going on? going on here? What's happening, Drew? Oh, can you guys try this move? Ha! Ha. There's some professional dancers in the audience here.
Nothing can distract our mind. All the take is hard we find.
Oh, nice move, Drew.
Nothing can distract my mind. My focus is kind of hard to find.
Wow! Spin around, let's see you moving. Foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, left. Is that it? Is that all there is to this dance? Is there one more? No, that's it. That's pretty easy. So let's do that one. Are you guys right foot, left, right foot, left?
With the walker band, slam with
Oh,
With the walking band.
nice stomping, everyone. Very nice.
band slam. Can you hear that sound?
It's the walking band. Stand over.
Very good footwork. Oh, are we going to start? I want to join this. Walk, walk. Keep stomping, everyone. Nice move.
Jumping down.
Pose it up, pose it down.
Dance party!
Keep on jumping, don't you stop.
Let's see you jumping up and down. Yeah! What? What?
Bingo bango, you're rocking the house.
This is what I call a super duper dance party.
Yeah, let's go! Yes! Good moves, everyone! Guys, you were all amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause. Oh, that is so good. Man, oh man, did you guys have a good time? I did too. Man, am I sweating up here? You guys are too. We're gonna dry off a little bit. And remember, you can catch True in the Rainbow Kingdom on CBC Kids and CBC Gem. Have a great day, everyone. Happy holidays. Bye, True. Bye, Bartleby. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Mr. Orlando, I had to ask you a quick question. If you could be a cake, what kind of cake would you be?
Oh my goodness. Is vanilla a good answer? How about oatmeal? Do they make oatmeal cakes? I would probably be maybe an oatmeal cake or maybe a hummus cake. Hummus might be a good cake. I also enjoy chocolate with sprinkles, but don't tell too many people. If Tony finds out I like chocolate with sprinkles, he's gonna think I'm just unfit to do my. Oh, a Christmas cake? Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm maybe the only person on the planet who does enjoy a good fruit cake at Christmas. If anybody has any fruit cakes they don't want, just send them on by.
Gary the
Oh yeah?
Gary the Unicorn says he would be a rainbow cake. How do you feel about that?
You know what? Gary the Unicorn is a rainbow cake.
Oh.
He is a rainbow cake, and he's a bit of a nut cake as well. But we love him. He's wonderful. He is a rainbow cake, and it is. He's beautiful, isn't he? Hello, welcome.
Mr. Orlando, do you want to tell everybody about your new project?
Oh my goodness, yes. Does anybody know about the Story Store?
Yeah.
You do?
What do you know about the Story Store? Do you know
Yeah.
what it is? It's a storytelling podcast, isn't it, Mr.
That's
Orlando?
right, that's right. It's a storytelling podcast, and the best part about it is we write our stories based on your ideas. So what I'm hoping.
Thanks for taking a picture with us.
Hi, Janae and Tony. Can I ask
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Now, can I ask you a question?
You may.
If both of you, if you could be a cake, what kind of cake would you be?
Ooh, a cake. Okay. I would be an ice cream cake.
I was gonna say
Yeah,
that.
I'd be an ice cream cake. And if I couldn't be an ice cream cake, I'd be a red velvet.
Okay, so I was gonna say ice cream cake, but to be a little different,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a cheesecake.
Okay,
Because all my puns are super cheesy.
Ah ha ha ha. Ba ba ba.
See that? Yeah.
There was
The-
a pun in there.
Well, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys later.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming.
And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I'm eating out a play. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel
I will play.
It has a lovely body, but legs so short and thin. And when it gets all tired, it jumps and I will win. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I will play. My dreidel is so playful, it loves to dance and spin. I have the game of dreidel, come play now, let's begin.
Oh,